Well, hey everyone, how's it going? Well, we got the call to get barley out to the seed cleaning plant for tomorrow. So we're gonna fire up the truck, hooked up the grain vac, and we got barley in that bin and in that bin. So we're gonna load it up and get it ready for the morning. I haven't made a video in a couple days because I've been sick. I still got a little bit of a cold right now, trying not to cough. But yeah, I'm just finally okay. So yeah. Anyway, let's go fire up that Freightliner. Oh, nice and warm in here. All right, step on the clutch. Here we go. Now we're just gonna wait to air up. Okay, we're ready to roll. Get some of this Metcalf barley going. There's the clean seed, clean barley. Well, that's clean barley. And we just put our screenings back, the dirty stuff. But you can still see some in here. We had the screenings in the top kick. So you can see it's all the smaller barley, the junk, wild oats, greens, little green seeds, and anything else that doesn't need to be in there. So anyway, that's the clean barley. Now we just need the clean peas. So peas are next. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll talk to you all later.